Well, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to go up to the little store and get a couple of groceries, a couple more things. First we'll get the dog loaded up. Of course, he's wrapped up around everything over here by the tent. So let's go. He's got to ride in the back of this truck. He does not like it, but that's what the boss says he has to do. So, if anybody has a Great Pyrenees, you know this is as far as they get. Then you gotta give him a hand. Now we gotta lock the door because this door will pop open as I drive. This truck has seen better days. So let's get on the road. We don't have to go about 4 miles, so it's not a big deal, and usually he'll start barking really quick. So let's get this thing started. There he goes, right on cue. All right, here we go. This feels so much different from driving the bus. This is only the second time in 2 months I've actually driven the vehicle. It's kind of constricted inside of this truck. I mean, you got a headliner, mirrors. The bus, I've got, what, 4 or 5 feet above my head, 7-foot windshield, but hopefully we'll get that thing back. Hopefully we'll know more today, but as you can hear, he's back in the back barking. So we'll get on to the store and get the barking to stop as we get back to camp. Well, we made it to the store. This is the store, country store, groceries, beer, hardware. Got a lot of little stuff in there. Not a big grocery selection, but they've got it. A little expensive, but you know, that's what happens when you're out here. What happens when you're out here in the middle of nowhere? You know, $6 for a gallon of milk and $9 for a box of cereal, but they got what you need. It keeps you from driving into town. So we're going to take the pup back and get him out of the truck. This is Duck Creek Village, part of it. So it's a little area parking. This is private campgrounds and different things. So this is called Movie Ranch Road. I don't know what that means. Maybe their movies were made here. I don't know. Let's get back to camp. We have made it back from the store. Zen has survived his ride and back the truck. It's not that bad, but there's no windows back there, so it's just dark and, you know, kind of like gloomy. If it was an open bed truck, I think you would enjoy it, but it's not. So it's my day off. What I'm going to do, I'm going to work on this. I'm going to turn this into this. There we go. You know that's for? Cleaning down inside pit toilets, so I don't have to go and get my head stuck down in the hole. Before I just had a brush about this long, and I was having to get way down in there, and nasty. So this will work real good. Piece of scrap wood, people left behind, and got a new brush, bolted it through, tighten it down, good as gold. It doesn't take much to make a camp host excited. I was excited. So let's get on with the video. Well, you caught me sitting on my trailer. I called the mechanic today. Today's, as I record this, Tuesday, the 29th. Estimated ship date for my brake part was the 28th. So I called the mechanic, and they said the part has not been shipped yet, which is not good news. And then the lady said that the owner is going to call them tomorrow and then call me back and see what happens. Maybe he'll get something done. I don't know, but we're just, we're at the mercy of the big company right now, just waiting for a part to get in. But in the meantime, I'm going to have some fish and chips. One of the campers down the way went to town and they said, "We're buying dinner. What do you want?" So fish and chips. I haven't had fish and chips in a long time, so they smell really good. So we're going to eat our fish and chips and say thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys on around the campground. Hopefully we'll have better news next time we do something, but we'll find out. So stay tuned.